I'm 32 and I stopped buying sweets and buns in the supermarket, not because I'm on a diet or I'm trying to cut the sugar. I just started to bake my own cardamom buns, and I cannot unsee the ingredient list in the supermarket buns anymore. While my buns have only 8 ingredients, store-bought ones have like a 40. Someone who is over 30 can agree with me that after 30 you cannot eat garbage anymore. I've been baking my sourdough bread for a couple of years, but still buying lots of sweets and buns in the supermarket, and my face was always poofy and my forehead had lots of spots here, and I was always craving them. I'm going to the supermarket, I will buy that sweets now. I'll show you how it looks. So I also started to make my own desserts, my own cakes, and I realized that since I don't buy supermarket sweets, but I noticed that I am craving less sweets by only eating my own sweets. And I started to read books about how food producers scam us. I realized that those buns with 40 ingredients, so they're supposed to be as cheap as possible for the producers, and they don't have time for that long fermentation which is needed for delicious bread. They don't have that much time, so they put a lot of additives there. It's cheap, it can last forever, it can be in a plastic bag, and 1 month it's still soft and fresh. And that's why the ingredient list gets insane. And now when I make my own buns, I can buy the best butter, the most expensive butter instead of cheap margarine food producers use there, and I can control what I eat. And my face is not that poofy anymore, and I don't have any spots on my forehead, but still eating sweets every day. So I didn't need to cut all the sugar, you know. Even with all the best ingredients, my buns can cost for like €1 for each. And now it makes sense why a good bun in the Copenhagen bakery can cost €5. If you want to buy less sweets in the supermarket, and maybe you've been in Copenhagen, or you've been in Sweden and you're craving those Scandinavian sweet buns, I want to invite you to my masterclass. We'll bake 4 Copenhagen bakery style buns together: cardamom, cinnamon, vanilla and almond, and probably a rhubarb bun, but I don't know. Now it's the season, but it's gonna be off soon. You can make it with yeast, and you can make it with sourdough. And if you're scared that you never worked with enriched dough, scared to fuck up, I promise you that if you follow my instruction, you will get amazing buns that your family will crave from the first attempt. Because I made the troubleshooting, I'll show you how the dough looks, how the dough feels. I will teach you the real baking technology, and then you can make after that bread, pizza, whatever you like, because it's only one technology for everything. So you can join for 1 month, bake one project, see if my styles works for you, and cancel anytime. If you don't have a mixer, or don't want to buy any special equipment, don't want to buy any ingredients, no need. We will mix the dough with hands, and all the products you can buy in the nearby store. I'm waiting for you in my masterclass. Bye bye.